Hello, my name is Rachelle and I work at the Vermillion Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little glitter Santa ball ornaments using a empty craft Christmas ornament ball. This one is a plastic one. You can find them pretty much at any craft store or online, Amazon. I will also be using some adhesive tape to help wrap his little belt around. This is a double-sided adhesive tape, and then a black double-sided ribbon. And to make the glitter adhere to the inside, I'll be using glitter glue, but you can also use other methods. I've seen people use polyacrylic or mop and glow, floor wax kind of stuff. It seems to work, but for this project we're going to use this glitter glue. I found some very fine glitter that's red. I've seen other crafters use thicker, more coarser grain glitter, and you're welcome to try that as well, but the kits that I'll be providing will have this fine red glitter in them. I'll also have some clear rhinestones for his belt buckle and some black rhinestones for the buttons. So sit back and watch as I teach you how to make this little craft ornament. So you're going to start with one of these plastic, or you can use glass crafting ornaments. You can find these at Michael's, you can find these on Amazon. It's best to use the ones that open at the top. There are some that are cut in half. I've not tried doing this craft with those, so I can't vouch for their ease of use. But these guys are about 3.5 inches in diameter, and all you need to do is take off this little cover here. Today I'm going to use this Glitterit liquid glitter glue that I found on Amazon. I've also seen people use polyacrylic or mop and glow, pledge floor polish. You can decide for yourself what you want, but the craft kits will include little bits of this Glitterit glitter glue, which is designed specifically for this craft. So the kits will all come with a little bit of this Glitterit glitter glue. What you'll do to start is you will open this up carefully. It's liquid. It's a pretty thin liquid. And you will pour it in to your little ball. And then what you'll do is you'll swirl it around. Make sure you cover the entire inside of the ball. Try to get everywhere. You can kind of see where it's going. And once you feel like you've gotten the entire inside covered, just want to drain out any remainders that are in there. Let that drain for a few seconds. And then what you'll do is you will grab the other item in your kit, or if you are making this for yourself from home, I used this very fine crafting glitter. I found this on Amazon. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour this in there while the glitter glue is still a bit wet. And then you're going to swirl it around. If you have any glitter left over, you can just dump it in here. It doesn't look like I have any, so I covered it pretty well. A little bit. Let me tap it out, and now you've got a little ball full of glitter. Now, let that sit for a bit. So now what you're going to want to do is start decorating the outside. And all of these kits will have little bits of adhesive that will be included, just enough to wrap around his waist there. So just cut off little strips. If you're doing this at home and with your own materials, I used a piece of ribbon to kind of determine how much I would need to cut off, and then I used that to measure how much tape I want to cut off as well. Just kind of eyeball it. Wrap this adhesive tape around his waist. Try to keep it as even as possible. And then cut off some black ribbon. This is 1/2 inch black ribbon, satin, double-sided satin, which will also be included in our kits. So you'll take off this adhesive, the backing on this adhesive. Take off that adhesive backing. And then put on his little black ribbon belt. Belt. Now you'll grab your clear adhesive rhinestones. These are self-adhesive, so they have a little bit of a sticky back to them. And obviously I will include these in the kits as well. And so your goal is to make a little belt buckle. Here's his little belt buckle. Now, grab our little black rhinestones. I'll include 2 black rhinestones in all the kits. These also have self-adhesive backs. Now you make little buttons. Button. Button. There you go. Now, I do recommend when you are putting the top back on this to take the little wire out first, or else it's going to scratch the inside where the glitter is. So put this top on first, and then put on the little wire. And there you go. They should all have a little loop in here that you can use to hang this little guy on your tree, or wherever else you might want to put him. There's your little Santa ornament. Of course, you can add more decorations if you want. I think maybe some cotton balls around the edge might be kind of cute. But this is what we will have in our kits for this month. Thank you for watching this video. I will have craft kits available in the south entrance of the library at the time of this video. Obviously this video can be watched anytime, but we will have limited kits available here at the library for a while. In addition to the other craft pieces that will be in that kit, I'll also include a little cup that can be used as a funnel. You'll just need to cut off the little tip here to use that to help get your glitter inside the ball without making quite as much of a mess. I will also include a little cup which you can use to pour out excess glitter it liquid or pour out any excess glitter you might have in the ball. So have fun making these little Santa Christmas ball ornaments. Please share your pictures if you want, and have a happy holiday. Thank you.